Say ow. Say ow. 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 Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to go shopping without any money. So if you're interested in how I do that, then keep on watching. Basically, how I go shopping without any money is I shop from my closet. So what I like to do is find 4 or 5 items that I haven't worn in a while or I've never worn before, and I like to build an outfit around them. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So let's get started. Okay, so the first piece I'm going to be working with is these pants that I got from a local boutique back in Columbus that I used to model for. They have like the slit on the side here. I've never worn them before, so I'm excited to match these up. And also got this sweater here that I got from a thrift store, like I know well over 2 years ago, that I've never worn it before. I was going to give it away to Goodwill like again, but just couldn't part ways with it until I actually found a way to wear it or whatever, or at least wore it once. So yeah. Then I got these orange like shoe booty things. Like the material is it was a little bit different than I thought it was gonna be when I got them, but yeah, they like really cling to the leg and stuff. So I want to find an outfit to wear with these. And then I have this skirt here that I only worn once. I wore it when I went to Vegas for my 27th birthday, and I want to try to find another way to wear it again. So these are the 4 pieces I am working with today. And then I already got some shoes laid out to pair these things with. More of kind of like my fall looking shoes. Haven't worn these red shoes in a while, so I'm going to try to see if I can coordinate that with anything that I have picked out for today. Yeah, so this is the first one that I'm going to be working with. So let's see. I wanted to figure out what am I going to wear with these. I kind of looked already just so this video won't be super long to kind of have an idea of what I might want to pair with this. And so I'm thinking I want to this shirt here. I actually got it from Forever 21 on clearance. It was like $5 and then half off of that, so I got it super cheap. I got this while I was still pregnant because I figured, you know, I'll be able to wear it once I had baby girl. But yeah, so this says Pretty Please. And since it's gray and it's kind of like neutral, I thought that would look good with these pants here. I think I want to pair them with the snake skin booties that I have. I want to pair it with these here, and I think that would make a really cute outfit. I feel like the snake skin booties kind of add a bit of interest to the whole look, so it won't look so matchy, you know what I mean? Like I didn't want to put like a white top with it because I felt like that's just too expected, you know what I mean? So I feel like the gray with it, with the black writing, kind of still ties it all together, even though it's like a snakeskin booty and stuff. And snakeskin is really in this fall, if you guys didn't know. I'm going to try this outfit on together and see how it works. So yeah, let's see. So this is what the first one looks like. Yeah, I'm feeling it. Okay. So I got the pendant right here. It's a lot of fat right there, you know what I'm saying? But I like this. It's cute. Okay. Okay. Say ow. 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 See the shoes with it. I like this. It's different. It's not expected, you know. Walk a little bit. Oh. 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 Definitely got a pendant. And so next I have the green polka dot cardigan here, and I think, let's see, I wanted to do like a t-shirt or something in this, but I didn't want it to be plain, so I wanted it to be printed to have a nice contrast. And I think I'm gonna go with this one here. It says A Good Life. I've worn this before. I actually wore this when I was pregnant, and I have a picture of that on my blog. So there we go. I'm thinking this, yeah, that together. I mean, it's different. I don't know. don't know how you guys, what do you guys think? I think this is kind of cool. Putting that together with that. Yeah, I'm kind of feeling it. I'm kind of, yeah, I'm feeling that a little bit. So yeah, and it's got the green in it, even though it's not the same green, you know, but it's okay. So as far as bottoms with this, I'm thinking I will do my like vintage high waist jeans that I've worn before that on the channel. Like I think it was in one of my lookbooks that I did before. But yeah, I'm thinking this together could be really cute. I could tie the front of it, and I'll probably wear like those chunky boots that I showed in the beginning, the black ones. That'd be cute. Yeah. Let's see how this looks, y'all. I don't know. I think I'm feeling it though. Let's see. Okay guys, so here is the cardigan. All right, so like I said, I wanted to pair it with the stripes here just to give a nice contrast, add a more interest to my outfit. And I did decide to add this belt to the black belt. I thought it was too plain without wearing a belt, so I actually like this. I think this is kind of fun or whatever. I'll give you guys a look at my shoes. So I'm wearing these chunky BCBG boots I've had for a couple years now, but they have made quite an appearance here on my YouTube and blog, several appearances. So I decided to bring these bad boys back out. I just thought this was a nice, like, funky little fall outfit. I actually really like how this came together. Yeah, I really like how this came together. This is super cute. Feeling this. Okay. I'm feeling this too. What do you guys think? I like this. This is fun. I don't know. I would have never thought about it putting these two together, but I think it's, I don't know, looks fun to me. I like it. Next, I have the orange thigh-high shoe booty type of things. Because it's like really, it's a high heel shoe and it's got this fabric stretched over it. So that's why I keep calling it like a shoe boot thing or whatever. So as far as matching something with these, I'm thinking, I don't know. Because with this, it's kind of hard. I don't know. Okay, so I think I'm gonna try to do, see what this orange sweater with it kind of doing almost a monochromatic look, almost, not quite. And put these down. Almost doing a monochromatic look, doing this orange sweater I got from H&M was it last? No, actually it was the beginning of this year because I was still pregnant when I wore this. So this, and I think I might, since it's thigh high, I think I might want to do like this little mini skirt that I did feature on the blog already. At the blog, well, I did put it on my blog. I featured on my channel in a previous lookbook, but I really like this skirt. So I'm thinking this together, probably tucking it in a little bit and then having the thigh high boots, because I don't think I'll be able to wear jeans and then put the boot over it just because how the material is. It would have to be either a legging or I would have to just have a bare leg to be able to make that work. So I'm thinking this with kind of a monochromatic look, you know, give you a little, I don't know, orange glow going on there. Now let's try it on and see what that looks like. I don't know, might surprise us. Let's see guys. Okay guys, so this is the orange sweater that I was talking about before. Just tucking that in a little bit into the mini skirt, and then, oh, wait for it, ow. I'm kind of feeling this, you guys. I don't know, what do you guys think? It was it's a little extra, but I kind of like it, you know? So, this is cute. I'm just practicing my poses. Damn. I'm just kidding. I feel like this though. It's cute. Beautiful. Yeah, I don't know why I ordered these though in orange. I guess I just wanted something just to kind of stand out or whatever. And so the last piece that we're working with today is this fringe skirt. Showed you guys in the beginning. So with this, no, I think I might do, yeah, I think I might do this white cropped shirt that I got from American Apparel, like, I think almost 2 years ago now. So yeah, I think I might do this with it since it's cropped and this is high waist. So that together, and probably have the biker jacket kind of draped over. I think that might be cute. So like, yeah, let's see. Yeah. Drape this over my shoulders with this. And then I was thinking to have a pop of color, maybe do these red strappy shoes. I have not worn these in a while. I think, let me look at the back of them. Yeah, I haven't worn them a lot. So I honestly don't even remember the last time I wore these like out. So I'm thinking doing this with it, the pop of color, but I also like the idea of doing the snakeskin booty with it too, because it does like go together, but I feel like, I don't know if it's too matchy, you know what I mean? I mean, too, I don't know. I just feel like the red kind of gives it a little oomph to it. I actually wish I had a red booty. I have to remember that next time I go shopping. So this is the last one here. I got the jacket draped over the shoulders. Okay, it's a little simple look. Pretty nice look. Okay. I'll give you guys a look at the shoes. Okay, that's a cute little look. Maybe like a cute little date night, simple look. Light. Okay, I'm feeling it. I think it looks cute with that too. So if I want to go for a neutral look, I think this with snakeskin would be perfect. If I want to go with something with the pop of color, it definitely could go with my red strappy shoes. Like I said before, I really wish I had some red booties, which I'll be keeping an eye out for. Oops, I lose my balance. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it gives you guys some inspiration to go into your closet and put together some brand new outfits to make you feel like you've been shopping but you really haven't kind of spent any coins or anything like that. This is one of my favorite ways to put together outfits. I feel like I get the most creative looks when I do this. So yeah, that's it for today. If you guys like this video and want to see more videos like these, comment down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.